Gawa tayo ng chicken peanut butter bowl. Oh, ito guys, meron akong ano dito, meron akong breast chicken. Pero you can use thighs or legs or anything. Pero breast chicken talagang ginagamitan dito guys. So, let's start put ingredients guys. Chicken peanut butter bowl ang tawag sa recipe for today's vlog. Kumain nyo na lang ganito guys pag breast chicken. Yung talang kalapad. Kung thighs, pwede rin kayo gumamit ng thighs. You can use thighs, or breast chicken, or legs, anything. As long as chicken peanut butter bowl. So, our ingredients guys is very easy. We only may use curry powder. This one, curry powder. Curry powder. We will marinate on the curry powder. Ayos siya maglabas. So, untog natin sa kamay. We're only using curry powder guys. Enough. And of course, coconut oil. Ito guys, coconut oil guys. Coconut oil ang pinanglagay ko nito guys. So, easy lang guys, coconut oil at curry powder. Ang pinang-mix natin guys. Marinate natin. Tsaka natin siya i-ano guys. I-grill muna guys para medyo brown yung side by side. Grill muna natin guys konti before natin lagyan ng another ingredients. Tsaka ilagay sa oven. Oven making to guys pagkatapos. Yung pinaka-last. So, marinate natin for 30 minutes. Then, we'll put again make again another ingredients for the para sa oven. Ilagay natin sa oven. For now, we will marinate first for 30 minutes so that the curry powder will soak inside the laman. Ano siya ba? Ano yung ano na yung lasa ng curry powder. So, let's wait until 30 minutes guys. Then we will start frying this one. So while waiting sa ating na marinate na ating breast chicken, we will make another sauce for putting in the oven. So we will start brown sugar guys. 2 spoon brown sugar ang lalagay ko dito guys kasi 1 kilo siya. Kung half kilo lang is 1 spoon. So 1 kilo man ang nilagay ko na, na breast chicken. So 2 spoon of brown sugar. Okay? Then minced garlic. Dapat may lagi kayong handa minced garlic guys. Minced garlic. Minced garlic. Tapos ginger. Ginger paste ang gamitin natin guys para ito karami sa 1 kilo. Then we have sriracha, hot sauce sriracha. And put 2 tablespoon. 2 tablespoon. Ayan. Tablespoon na siya. Then we have sesame oil. Sesame oil. Kunti lang guys, a little bit sesame oil guys kasi mag-iba yung lasa. Little bit sesame oil. Soya sauce. Tsaka soya sauce. 3 spoon ito do sa 1 kilo. Dagdagan pa natin. Light soya sauce ang gamitin nyo guys. 4 tablespoon. Tsaka rice vinegar. Rice vinegar guys, yung nagpapalasa ang rice vinegar guys. Dapat meron kayo nito guys kung mahilig kayo maluto ng high protein po. It's very recommended ang rice vinegar guys. At saka coconut milk. 1/2 lang lalagyan natin ito ha. Hindi lahat. 1/2 lang, 1/2 kan. Hindi lahat guys, hindi lahat. The last but not the least, yung peanut butter natin guys. Kasi chicken peanut butter bowl ang ating recipe for today's vlog. So dapat may peanut butter siya, di ba? Crunchy peanut butter guys, hindi yung plain crunchy ang gamitin nyo. Crunchy. So, teaspoon. Teaspoon to guys, teaspoon 4. Teaspoon 4. So, mix na natin guys. Tingnan natin. Chicken peanut butter bowl guys. Kaya meron siya peanut butter. Napakayami nito guys. This is the second time around I make this one guys recipe. It's very yummy kaya pinaluto ulit ng amo ko. Magdadala siya doon sa kanyang nanay. It's very yummy this one. Ito yung ilagay na toppings natin para ilagay natin sa oven. Ito na guys. So let's start frying sa ating na marinate na yung chicken with chicken curry powder. Mainit na yan guys, mainit na. Hindi natin lagyan ng mantika kasi nilagyan natin ng coconut oil to guys. So may mantika na to guys. So kailangan lagyan ng mantika. No need because there is already coconut oil. Tari na natin. Ayan. Tari na natin. Labasawin nyo. Side by side. So, ito na yung na-fry natin na chicken. Yung minarinate natin with curry powder and coconut oil. So, lagyan na natin ng yung sauce na may peanut butter. So, let's put our peanut butter sauce. Tsaka natin ilagay sa oven. Lagyan natin sa oven for 15 minutes, guys. Okay? 15 minutes. We'll put this one in the oven for 15 minutes. Well done. High fire, guys. High fire ng oven. Nilagay natin, guys. High fire. Okay? 15 minutes. So, ito na. It's well done already, guys, and ready to serve, ready to eat. So, I hope you enjoy watching, guys. For my new content sa aking pagluluto. See you next vlog, guys. I love you all. Bye. Enjoy watching, guys.